English to Welsh past, had, I had.
Roedd gen I.
You had.
Gest.
Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to master Welsh, had, with laughs and quick drills? Imagine your backpack as a time machine. Yesterday it was full, today, not so much. Let's say what you, your friends, and even your toaster, had, in Welsh, and make it stick with rhythm, jokes, and mini-challenges. Your goal today. You'll nail the core Welsh forms for had, and know when to use each one. I had equals.
Roedd gen I.
You had, singular, informal, equals.
Gest.
Preterite, got, had, and for possession you'll also hear.
Roedd gen ti.
In the wild. He had equals.
Roedd ganddo fe.
She had equals.
Roedd ganddi hi.
It had equals.
Roedd ganddo.
We had equals.
Roedd gennym ni.
You had, plural, formal, equals.
Roedd gennych chi.
They had equals.
Roedd ganddyn nhw.
Pro tip. The gone construction marks possession, had, has, while.
Gest.
Often feels like you got, you had it, in a completed past action. Mini dialogue, the missing keys. Listen in and spot the had forms, then echo them aloud. You, yesterday, I had the plan.
Roedd gen I.
Gainlan. Friend. Sure, but you, plural, had the keys.
Roedd gennych chi.
Year already. You, right, and the car? It had a problem.
Roedd ganddo.
Problem. Friend, don't worry, he had a spare key.
Roedd ganddo fe.
All wed sabar. You, and she had the ticket.
Roedd ganddi hi.
Why tossin? Friend, team update, we had snacks.
Roedd gennym ni.
Fearbrido, they had the map.
Roedd ganddyn nhw.
Why map? You, teasing a pal, but you, sing, had the bright idea.
Gest.
Why Cineed GWYCH. Laugh and learn. A tiny story to make the forms unforgettable. At the concert gate, you all pat pockets dramatically. I announce, relax, yesterday.
Roedd gennych chi.
Why Tosanau? The scanner beeps, the crowd gasps, and the security guard whispers, actually, the system just crashed. It had a bug.
Roedd ganddo.
Wall. Meanwhile, a friend beams at you, no stress.
Gest.
The best timing for a snack break. Speed drills. Say it fast, then check yourself. You've got this. Say in Welsh, we had a plan. Answer.
Roedd gennym ni.
Gainlan. Say in Welsh, they had no time. Answer.
Roedd ganddyn nhw.
DDIM Amser. Say in Welsh, he had an umbrella. Answer.
Roedd ganddo fe.
Imbarial. Say in Welsh, she had the idea already. Answer.
Roedd ganddi hi.
Why Cineed Isos? Say in Welsh, I had a question. Answer.
Roedd gen I.
G.West IWN. Say in Welsh, you, plural, had the tickets. Answer.
Roedd gennych chi.
Why Tosanau? Say in Welsh, it had a problem yesterday. Answer.
Roedd ganddo.
Broblem DDOE. Say in Welsh, sing, Informal, you had the keys. Answer.
Gest.
Year already. Culture tip. Cymru context. Place the language in real Welsh life for better memory. Before a big match in Cardiff, fans might say, "We had hope."
Roedd gennym ni.
Obaith. After a rainy hike in Eryri, someone laughs, "Good job, the coat had a hood."
Roedd ganddo.
Gap. And when sharing praise, you'll hear, "They had great teamwork."
Roedd ganddyn nhw.
YS Brid Tim. Quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal each solution after a pause. Q1. Translate, I had a book. A.
Roedd gen i.
Lifer. Q2. Translate, you, sing, had the idea. A.
Gest ti.
Y Syniad. Q3. Translate, she had time. A.
Roedd ganddi hi.
Amser. Q4. Translate, he had a car last year. A.
Roedd ganddo fe.
Gar Yllynedd. Q5. Translate, you, plural, had the map. A.
Roedd gennych chi.
Y map. Q6. Translate, it had no power. A.
Roedd ganddo.
Ddim poor. Q7. Translate, they had many ideas. A.
Roedd ganddyn nhw.
Lar o Syniadau. Wrap up. You did great, lock it in with one last rhythm. Chant with me. I had.
Roedd gen i.
You had.
Gest ti.
He had.
Roedd ganddo fe.
She had.
Roedd ganddi hi.
It had.
Roedd ganddo.
We had.
Roedd gennym ni.
You, plural, had.
Roedd gennych chi.
They had.
Roedd ganddyn nhw.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, replay the drills, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and guided practice. This was Synapse Lingo. See you next time.